Now I'm going to demonstrate how to detail the window and how to use the towels. But first, let's get this window all soapy. All right. And let's squeegee off our solution. Just like that. Now, you want to start with your frame towel. And you start here at the base of the window, wipe up any extra solution that dripped off the window, because when you're squeegeeing it down, you're basically pushing it onto the rim or to the windowsill down here. Then you take your detail towel, find a clean spot, and you want to put your finger in it like this and hold the rest of the towel away, because you don't want to accidentally get a dirty part of the towel or a wet part of the towel or any part of the towel really, except for the part you're controlling, on the nice clean window. So put your finger in it, hold the rest away like this, and then you want to go on the glass around the frame, cleaning up any little bit of solution that's still on the window. And after you've done one or two sides, you want to adjust the towel to a clean spot and then do the rest. Now, the reason you want to adjust to a clean spot is, look, like there's some dirt and debris that came off on that towel. If I wiped that edge first and got all that dirt and debris, and then I went up to this edge up here and wiped that glass with this same spot, I would end up just smearing that dirt across the edge here. And what will happen is you won't be able to necessarily see it right away, but if you're on the inside of the window looking out and the sun starts to hit the window, you'll see just a dirty streak all the way along there. And that's how you get customers calling you back. So always adjust to a clean part of your towel. Now, eventually, if you're doing like an entire house or several businesses in a row, eventually that towel will get dirty. And or if you're doing a storefront that's just really dirty, it could happen in just one window. So once that towel gets really dirty, especially the detail window or detail towel, when it gets dirty, you just throw it to the side, grab yourself a clean detail towel and move on. Because again, you don't want to have that dirty towel and then you're starting to rub dirt into the glass again and you're leaving the glass dirty, because you're here to clean it, not to make it dirty in a different way. Same thing goes with your sill towel and frame towel. This will get wet and dirty a whole lot faster than the other one. And generally, you can rock with one of these dirtier and wetter for longer, because you're generally just using it to wipe up the dirt that's on the windowsill or on the frame of the window. But there is going to be a point where it is just soaking wet and really dirty, and you don't want to be and it's just not going to clean as well. So you want to swap that out as well. And you want to avoid at all costs touching the fresh clean glass with this towel at all, because again, you'll leave smears and dirt on the window. Hey, thanks for watching. This video is actually part of a free online course that I've made on how to professionally clean windows. If you want to sign up for the course, you can go to the link in the description where you'll find the rest of the course, some other supporting materials, and a community of other people that are learning how to clean windows as well. So, thanks again, and we'll see you in there.